everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. I am Vallavi Gaikwad. I am back again students. How are you? Fine no? Okay. So today I am going to take grammar. All of you open your textbook, page number 13 children. Yes. Now have you opened? Okay. Now tell me what is this children? Yes. This is, what is this? Fruit. Yes. Can you tell which fruit is this? Okay. Which is this? Apple. Very good. Now tell me which fruit is this? Yes. Yes. Good. Mango. This is mango. Now tell me what is this children? Yes. This is animal. Okay. Now tell me this. Yes, this is also animal. So this fruit, this animal, they have some name. Yes, no? What is this name for this fruit? What name is there? Apple. Very good. For this, what name is there animal? Fish. Very good. So students, as we know, each and everything in this world, it has a name. Without name we can't do anything. Without name we can't identify anything. Okay. So today we are going to learn a lesson, that is lesson number 5, naming words. Okay students. Now all of you look into your textbook. See here. Father brought a doll from the shop. He gave it to Rani. She kept it on the table. The dog saw it and jumped on it. He started to play with the doll. The words father, doll, shop, Rani, table, dog are all naming words. Now these all are naming words. Naming words is also known as noun. Naming words are also called as noun. Okay, noun. Now what is naming words? Naming words are names of person, place, animal and thing. Okay, what are the naming words? Person, place, animal, things. Okay. Now person. Who am I? Yes, I am a teacher. Okay. I am a teacher. My name is Vallavi. So I am a naming word. It comes in a person. Then it may be here. You can see in the textbook father. Okay. Father, mother, teacher, gardener, all these are naming words. Okay. Then place. Now where you are at home? Yes, you are at home. I am in the school. Means these are the places, isn't it? So this is also one kind of naming words and it is also called a noun. The next, animals. Which animals do you like? Yes, lion, tiger, giraffe, elephant. These all are also animals. Okay. Then things. What things? See, this is a, what is this? Marker. Then this is a pencil. Okay. This is a duster. These all are what? Things. And all these things have some name, isn't it? You call it as duster. This you call as marker. This you call as pencil. So all these are the things which has name. So without name we can't identify which thing is this. So naming word is very important. It is also known as noun. So you can see here, father brought a doll from the shop. He gave it to Rani. She kept it on the table. The dog saw it and jumped on it. He started to play with the doll. The words father, doll, shop, Rani, table, doll are all naming words. Means they have some names. Okay. The words the word father names a person. Now this you can see the word father. Father is a person. Okay, then the word table and doll, they are the name of things. Okay, then the word shop means place. Okay, place. Then the word dog names an animal. Dog is an animal. The word Rani is a special name for a person. Now see here. Person means any person will come. Father, mother, doctor, teacher, like this. But special, if you are giving the name. So this Dr. Ravi or Dr. Shrikant, if you give in this way, that Ravi or Shrikant, it has a special name. We call it as special name. Here you can see the word Rani, it is a person only, but it has a special name. Okay, just they have not told the word Rani is a special name for a person. We know that it is a person. Okay, special, it is a person. Then other naming words are given below in the box. See here, persons. In this person, Sonu, Rahul, girl, brother, teacher, policeman, pilot, aunt, mother. These all are persons. Then places, school, house, garden, kitchen, hospital, Delhi, Kanpur, Goa, Mumbai. Things, pen, pencil, chair, photo, apple, peanut, ball, knife, water. Animals and birds, all ant, peacock, dog, lion, cow, horse, butterfly, frog. These all are animals. Yes children, now everyone has identified and everyone has understood what is the meaning of naming words, which we gives names. Okay, naming words are the names of person, place, animal and things. Okay, these are the naming words and we call it as also as a noun. Each and every noun has a naming word. Okay, now repeat after me. Father brought a doll from the shop. He gave it to Rani. She kept it on the table. Their dog saw it and jumped on it. He started to play with the doll. The words father, doll, shop, Rani, table, dog are all naming words. The word father names a person. The words table and doll are names of things. The word shop names a place. The word dog names an animal. The word Rani is a special name of for a person. Means it is, we know that it is a person. So that person is having some name. So that is a special name, that is Rani. Then person. In persons what will come? Other words, Sonu, Rahul, girl, brother, teacher, policeman, pilot, aunt, mother. Sorry. All this will come in person. Then places, school, house, garden, kitchen, hospital, Delhi, Kanpur, Goa, Mumbai. These all are places. Then things, pen, pencil, chair, photo, apple, peanut, ball, knife, water. These all are things. So animals and birds, owl, ant, peacock, dog, lion, cow, horse, butterfly, frog. These all are animals and birds. Okay children, now have you understood? Yes, good. Now turn the page, see the exercise A. See your exercise A. Now here you can see Look at the pictures given below and read their names. Write these proper in a proper column. Now see, here it is given persons, places, things, animals. Okay, now persons. From this picture you want to find where are the persons. Now tell me, first one is person? No. Second one? No. Third? Yes, nurse is a person. Fourth? No. Fifth? Yes, pilot. Then, okay, two are over. Then places. We want now place. Okay, now see a chair. Is it place? No. Umbrella? No. Nurse? No. School? Yes, it is a place. School is a place where you will go to study, isn't it? Where you will get knowledge, where you will get many friends, you will get the teacher, that is called school. Then pilot? No. Market? Yes, it is a place. Market means what? Where you will go and buy things. Yes, no. Whatever you like, you will go to the market and buy the things. That is market. Okay, things. Now which things? Chair is a thing? Yes. Then next, umbrella is a thing? Yes. Now animals. Now where are animals? Chair is there, umbrella is there, nurse is there, school is there, pilot, market. Giraffe is an animal? Yes. After giraffe, kangaroo. Okay. Now write down this all. Now tell me, we have written now this all. Now tell me from this picture, where is nurse? Yes. Is it nurse? No. Here? No. Here? Yes. So, here we have written nurse. Okay. Now, tell me, here it is pilot. Here what it is? Person? No. Here? Yes, it is a person. So, you will write in the column of person. Pilot. Very good. From this you have find persons, that is nurse and pilot. We have written this in a persons column. Now we will see place. Chair is place? No. Umbrella is place? No. Nurse? No. School? Yes, school is a place. What you will do in the school, children? Yes, you will go, you will study, then you will make new friends, all teachers will be there, isn't it? You are missing your school, isn't it? Yeah, this is a school where you will eat the tiffin, okay, you will play, you will study, you will learn some new things, that is called school. So, in the place column you will write school, then market, pilot, is it place? No. Then market? Yes, market is a place where you will go with your parents, you will buy some new things, you will take fruits, then you will take your clothes, isn't it? Different kinds of markets will be there. Some markets will be of only fruits, some markets will be of sweets, some markets will be of clothes, some markets will be of shoes. In this way you will go, this you will write in the column of place. Then things. Now tell me which are the things here? Yes. Can anybody point out where are the things in this picture? Yes, here. Chair is the thing, no? Yes, good. So you will write this in the things column, chair. Then second, which one is there? Good. Umbrella. Yes. So you will write in the things column, umbrella. The next is animals. Find out the children, where are the animals? From the picture, can you see? Yes, here is the animal. Which animal is this? Giraffe. Good. So you will write this giraffe in the animals column. The next, where it is? Kangaroo. Good. So where you will write? In animals column. So take down these children. Okay, have you written everyone? Yes. Will you repeat after me, students? Okay, first place is nurse, pilot. What is the spelling of nurse? N-U-R-S-E. Nurse. Good. Pilot. P-I-L-O-T. Pilot. Good. Then school. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Good. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. Good. Next is chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Okay. Then umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Then animals, giraffe, G-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Kangaroo, K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Okay, finish writing. Okay, now we will see B1. Okay, underline the naming words in the stories given below. Now from this we want to underline the naming words. Which are the naming words? Okay. Yes, the magician has a big hat. He keeps a rabbit, a teddy bear, an egg and candles in it. Then Bholu and Mona are friends. They love to play in the park. They play with a bat and a ball. Sona has a parrot. She keeps it in a cage. The parrot eats a guava every day. It wants to fly. Sona opens the cage and sets it free. Now we want to underline the naming words. The magician is a naming word. Then hat. Yes, then rabbit. Underline with me, children. Come on. Tell me the spelling of magician. M-A-G-I-C-I-A-N. Yes, repeat after me. M-A-G-I-C-I-A-N. Magician. Good. Hat. H-A-T. Hat. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Then teddy bear. T-E-D-D-Y. Teddy bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. And egg and candies. Okay, then next is Bholu, Monu. These are naming words. They love to play in the park. They play with bat and ball. Okay, repeat after me. Bholu and Mona are friends. They love to play in the park. They play with a bat and ball. Then next, Sona has a parrot. Yes, she keeps in a cage. Their parrot eats a guava a day. Then Sona opens the cage and set it free. Okay. Have you underlined, all of you? Underline these naming words, children. Come on. Okay, finish. Now turn the next page. Now you will cross here which are not the naming words. Now see here. There are 4 words in each group. Cross the word that is not a naming word. Okay, now tell me, pond is naming word? Yes. Eyes? Yes. Shoes? Yes. Big? No. Then do their cross. Come on, do with me. Yes. Have you done? Okay, then second one. Man, garden, and is naming word? No, it is not a naming word. Do their cross. Book, it is a naming word. Then next, axe, cry, it is not a naming word. Bike, cow. Then fourth one, office, ground, eagle. This is also not a naming word. Okay, come on, do with me now. Yes, have you done, children? Okay, finish. Now see here. See D1. Next one is D. Take words from the box and complete the story. Fill in the blanks with the naming words. Now here are the naming words. You want to fill in the blanks. This is a short story and you want to complete this story with adding the naming words given in the box. You can see there are words that you want to add. Now tell me, Dinah is a, yes, princess. Dinah is a princess. Then she gets lost in a forest. Forest means, you know what is forest? Yes, where there are all animals, that is called forest. So she sees a hut. What she sees there? A hut that was made up of wood. Okay, then what is there then next? The straw is made of, the door is made of straw. Okay, it is made up of straw. She looks inside the hut. Then an old woman sits on a chair. She smiles at Dinah. Okay, repeat after me, children. Dinah is a princess. Yes. She gets lost in a forest. She sees a hut made of wood. The door is made of straw. She looks inside the hut. An old woman sits on a chair. She smiles at Dinah. Yes. So children, you can write, so here, see here, sorry, here you want to write, she sees a hut made of a straw and the door is made up of a wood. Take down this fast. Okay, now E1. Look here children. Here are some naming words that got mixed up with the alphabets. You have to find the naming words. The first letter of every naming word is in a bold. Now see here. Here is a puzzle. You call it as a puzzle. From this puzzle, you want to find the naming word. So, each naming word they has given in a bold letter. First one we will see. First one, F is there, R is there. So, what will come find children? Yes, can you find? Bold F, where it is? Here. Okay. So, can you see? Flower, F-L-O-W-E-R. Come on, repeat after me. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Good. Then you will write here F-L-O-W-E-R. Got it? Yes. Then second, M dash dash N. Now find, come on, see children where it is now that word. M is written in bold, okay. Now tell me. Yes. M-O-O-N, moon. Come on, repeat after me. M-O-O-N, moon. Good. Okay, next. Then third one is H. Now tell me what, where is H children? Come on, find it fast, hurry up. Can you see bold H where it is? Here, yes. Then what is the word? Helicopter, yes. Come on, do it with me all of you. You are doing with me? Yes, say H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, yes, helicopter. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R. Write down fast. Now next is fan. Can you find F bold? Yes, here. F-A-N, fan. Okay. Then next, U. Where is U? See, search where is U bold letter? Yes, you can see here. U. Where is the bold letter U? Can you tell fast? See here. U, umbrella, uncle, U-N-C-L-A. Don't listen, bold letter, uncle. U, see here. U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. U-N-C-L-E. Uncle. The next is umbrella. Where it is umbrella? Yes, here. umbrella. Umbrella. Okay, come on, spell with me. umbrella. Umbrella. Good. Then map. Map. Where is M? Search. Come on, search, children. Yes, here is map. Okay. Yes. Then where is village? VILLGE. Good. Village. Come on, write VILLAGE. Come on, repeat after me. VILLAGE. Village. Okay. Now repeat after me these words. First one is what? Flower. 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 Good. Second, MOON. Moon. Then third, helicopter. 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 Fourth one, fan. FAN. Fifth, uncle. 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 Sixth, umbrella. 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 7. Map. Then 8th one, village. 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 Okay, children. Now you all will learn these words. Okay. And in next period I will ask the words. Okay. Thank you very much.